It's Ava GDS. Avis GDS, which probably stands for Gosh Darn Sweet Lock. Golly darn swell. Just got it in the mail today, so we're going to try to pick that. I feel like I got a little something on one. Hard to tell. 4, 5, 6. Oop, here's 5. Okay, definitely something moved on 5. 6. Oop, there's more on 5. Let's go back to 1 little tap, 2, little something, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, nothing on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's see what's inside that guy. How do I see what's inside that guy? Well, let's lock it back up for one thing. So we don't do anything stupid. Alright, looks like a little tiny Torx like internal hex, not security fitted. So let's see if we can find the right friend here. It feels like it's close, but maybe just a little tiniest bit too big. Let's see how this one feels. Nope. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's the one. Move this back out of the way. Got a little wiggle there. Grab the old shimmer. Wiggle that guy in there real careful like. Yeah, the bigger follower is good for this one. Okay. God, it started dropping stuff. All right. Standard. I kind of expect all standards in the keys usually. Sometimes you get something a little different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's 6. I felt 6 in there. So that's good news. Toss a barrel. Toss a barrel. Now, I don't think there was counter milling in this thing. Toss a barrel. Toss a barrel. Barrel. And barrel. Some of these I think have more like trees and gin type spools. So the legend goes, but take a feel here. Nope. No counter milling or anything. So just sort of so barrels picking kind of funny, because that's what they do. As you can imagine, you get this kind of multi-step approach where first you have to pick it into the narrow part of the spool and then past the little lip. It's resistant to do so, but not any huge deal.